How to share NGL link on Facebook story. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you share NGL link on your Facebook story. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Instagram with your account. Alright, so now from here you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. And from your tap on three line just at the top right corner. Okay, from your tap on account center. Tap on profile. Okay, so from here, make sure that your Facebook and Instagram account has been connected to each other. So from here, you'll have to just confirm it. And from here, you'll have to just exit the app and you have to open the application NGL. Alright, so after you open the NGL, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option copy link. Alright, so from here, it is showing that how can you add a link to your Facebook story or Instagram. So simply tap on next step, next. Okay, tap on share. Okay, so tap on open. Alright, so as you can see, I have redirected to the Instagram story. So for that, you'll have to just tap on your sticker icon. Now from here, tap on link. Okay, so from here, you'll have to just paste that link where you have been copied from NGL app and tap on done. Okay, so from here, you'll have to just resize this link to this box here. Alright, so after you place it, you will be able to share your Instagram story which is directly connected to your Facebook, so it will directly also share on your Facebook story. So this is the method to share NGL link on your Instagram and Facebook story at once. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.